Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to do the integration of ax plus b to the power of n, and we got like this. Now in this situation, this one we have number 1, so a equals to number 1, b equals to negative number 6, n equals to number 3. So if we do this integration, we have like this. So n plus 1 we have number 4 and number 4 in here. A that is about number 1, so we don't need to put number 1 in here, and we just put like this. The next one, this one, that is about identity. So this one divide by this one. So x multiplied by x to the power of 3 plus 1. Next, we have the formula. The integration of x to the power of n dx. We have x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So we have the final answer in here. And the last one, we apply the same formula for the first one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.